Welcome to another airdrops video. Today I will be talking about Loopscale airdrop. This is a platform that builds on top of Solana and it has a points program. This platform looks a lot like Camino. I would say it's Camino in a very much shrinked version. They have been running their points program for quite a lot, but not a lot of months in all honesty in total. And it's also integrated with multiple other airdrops. So if you want to find the link for Loopscale, it's on my Airdrop Excel guide. You will find it inside the Solana tab. It's over here. And it integrates also with Fragmentric and KY Sol, Radex platform. So you can do a lot of beta plays with it. So let's cover it. Let's also see my points, my positions, and I will let you know about my strategy with this, my mindset about it, and all of the other stuff. So before I begin, I just wanted to let you know that right now on Udemy, I have a very cheap $20 course that you pay only once and you get access to all of the around 8 hours of tutorials, as long as all of the new updates, the new tutorials that come with it. So if you are new in crypto airdrops and you want a structured way to learn, I highly suggest this course. It shows you my journey in the past around a year, and you of course support the channel and my work with it. So if you want it, it's down below in the description. Pay only once, 8 hours of currently, content and all of the new updates in there. So about Loopscale, why I like it. First of all, it has a points program, so you know they will do an airdrop. Now, that's in a few times it's bad. However, you can see here that it tracks your activity and you can know exactly your activity. There are point multipliers in specific positions, and you can also earn points from external protocols. So you can farm multiple airdrops at once. Okay? And of course, if you have a following or if you have friends, you can share a referral link and benefit from that. As you can see, I currently have a big deposit in Loopscale, about I think $1,000 exactly, and I get an 8% passive APY, which is pretty good. I have just applied my Solana and I'm getting this return, and any airdrop that I get from this, in my opinion, it's just a bonus. The main takeaway here is that I have a place where I have parked my Solana with a very nice yield. That's the only thing I care about. The airdrop is just a bonus. Because if you see airdrops as the main way to make money with this kind of protocols where you park money passively, well, you are going to be disappointed. So here we have the Lend vault. You click Lend after you log in with your account, and you have 3 main vaults. So I have deposited on the Sol Genesis vault, which gets an 8% APY. I'm super also happy with it. It has a 3x points boost, so that's also nice. There's also a USDC Genesis that gives you 10% and it parks your money with 3x points bonus. Okay, these are the biggest in TVL. There's also this Fragmentric type of ZBTC that gives you Zeus yield on your Bitcoin that is wrapped. You can also deposit there. You have Fragmentric Sol, so you can get Fragmentric. The link for Fragmentric is also here, and you can get an APY, a passive APY, as well as Fragmentric points. You have all of these things that give you very nice yield. In my opinion, I would suggest not looking further down the line than these, 5 volts. There's also this advanced, lending, which gives you more bonuses, but less APY. I would again advise against looking at this because the APY is probably going to be better than just getting some extra points, at least in my opinion. Also, you can deposit Jupe, which gives you a 10% APY with a 4x points boost. Maybe this is lucrative for people that hold Jupe, but yeah, this is the Lend protocol. There's also borrowing, so you can borrow against your deposits, which is nice. You can see here the APY for borrowing is really small. So that's very nice. You don't have to pay a lot of funds. So if you click borrow, you supply collateral, okay? And it's on separate positions, okay? So you select the collateral you want to deposit and you do as you please from there. I would again advise against using borrow, just in case you want to farm an airdrop, that's fine. But I would really avoid it at this point. There are also not a lot of deposits here, only on the first 3 to 4 main tokens. There's also this loop function, which is one of the most lucrative opportunities inside of Fragmentric. Specifically, they have the FLP pool, and they also have this ALP pool. So these pools are from Flash Trade trading platform and Adrena trading platform, and this is like JLP pool, and this is like the FLP pool. So these are like pools from JLP, but instead of Jupiter Exchange, they have the Flash Trade Exchange and the Adrena Exchange. So these give you a very decent APY. They're very, very lucrative in terms of return, and usually these returns are quite sustainable because these platforms don't have a very big, deposit pool. You also can loop Infinity Sol, you can loop Digit Sol, and you can loop JLP, ALP, BSOL. There's so many loops you can do. You can also loop fragmentric LPs, so you can get loads of points and also more points for RateX. There are so many opportunities here. And also they've got leverage loops on X stocks, meaning tokenized stocks that have come inside Solana. Not a lot of deposits here, but you could also leverage loop stocks, which is pretty insane. So there are loads of different products inside this platform that you can try out and give it a look according to what strategy you want to follow and what exposure you want to each of these products. In my opinion, if you want a very decent APY, I would probably loop ALP and JLP, maybe also FLP. Where is it? It's somewhere around here. So you can short by APY. ALP, FLPs are also nice. You also get points for, trade, which is also nice. So these offer a very decent APY. You can try these. If you want something that has more, more risk, but better returns, I would not deposit over 1% of my total portfolio in all of these together. If you want to go super risky, maybe 5%, that's that, no more than that. And you also can farm like that the Loopscale airdrop. Me specifically, I told you, I use Solana, I do Sol deposits. That's what I think is the best option. So yeah, let me know what you believe about it. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Again, what should you expect from this? An extra 2 to 3% APY on your deposits. And it's not APY, I mean a 2-3% of your deposits in airdrop. Okay, so if you deposit $1,000, maybe you should expect $30 to $50 maximum. But you get also this yield and the APY. Okay, now this platform is growing. They're growing slowly, but they're doing a very good job at the growth rate. They integrate with all of the new platforms. So maybe the airdrop is going to be even better than the one I expect. But we are going to see. It's all up to you. Do what you please with it. Just want to let you know that this opportunity exists.